Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Toro Bravo back again with another video. So I'm going to show you how to install sneaker shields to your sneakers. Right here we have the Bred Force. So make sure you get the right size. So in this case I got size medium, which fits a size 9.5 to size 12 sneaker. So here's the left side. So let's go ahead and insert it. Sure you pull it all the way in. So that should do it. That should do it right about there. So here you have it, you guys. There it is. And you'll never have to worry about sneakers creasing. So make sure it's nice and snug. There you guys, here you go. Toro Bravo signing out. Deuces.